Hi to all, my name is Ezra Street Dark, and in today's video I have unboxing of the wireless video doorbell. So this box is factory sealed. Here we have a little damage but not too big, and it is factory sealed. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So for opening the box we need special tools, and let's see what we have in. And in the box we have one more box. And here is our Star Pro series. So what we have in, we have 1080p video, two-way audio, night vision, 166 wide angle, peer motion detection, IP rating 44, long battery life, and we have here, as you can see, TF cards, so up to 64 gigabytes of storage. And I think we have cloud storage too, so we need to power this up. We need two 18650 batteries. So that's all. Here all we did all this to read how to install, download our free app. So you need to download free app to show, but that would be later. So let's open and see what we have in. So we have two chimneys, I think, or how do you pronounce? Here we have user's manual. Always read user's manual to know your product. Don't be like me. So here we have 32 gigs of micro SD card. Chime. As you can see, plug in chime. We have two. Here is how to install it, how to select melodies and stuff. As you can see, this is for European socket. We have two buttons. One is for melody and the other is for pairing, I think. Here is another one, and here is our star. But what we have is here, so we have screws to mount it on the wall, and that's it. Here is our star, brand new, as you can see, brand new. So this is the wall mount. You just simply slide it, and that's it. But someone could take this. Not good. We have to secure it somehow, because this way somebody can just take it. Oh yeah, here you have two screws. Okay, it's not that simple. You have two screws, so very nice. Let's open it. Here we have two berries, 18,650 berries. So I'm gonna check the capacity of these berries. They are factory sealed all the way, so you don't have connection. That's good. Here we have some barcode. It doesn't say, so it is around 300 milliamp hours. We have to check it. Here's our star, factory sealed. Here we have input, micro SD and micro SD, micro plug. Here we have a reset button. Here you can put your memory card slot. Let's see how this goes in. Goes like this. And you hear the click, it's in. So here you have, I think, to download the app, and here is our brand new undamaged doorbell. So to push it and to play the music if someone is at the door. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Now I'm gonna charge the batteries and I'm gonna connect it and see how it works, and see you soon. ZST dark out. Bye.